Forgot your SHEIN account password? In this video, I'll show you how to reset your SHEIN password and regain access to your account using your phone. So let's get started. First, open the SHEIN app on your phone. On the sign-in screen, look for the Can't Access Your Account option and tap on it. Now, under the Forgot Password section, tap the Reset Password button. Enter the email address or phone number linked to your SHEIN account. Next, tap Send to receive a verification code. Now, enter the verification code sent to your email address or phone number, then tap the Submit button. Once your identity has been verified, create a new password for your SHEIN account. Re-enter your new password to confirm it, then tap the Submit button. After your password has been updated, return to the sign-in page. Now, sign in using your email address or phone number and your new password. And that's it. You've successfully reset your SHEIN password and regained access to your account.